You've lost your Worldcoin account and don't have a backup. So how can you restore it? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you 5 different ways to recover your account, even without a backup. The recovery process involves several steps, depending on the methods you previously set up. If one method doesn't work, the next one might. So make sure to try all the options to find the one that works best for you. The steps are straightforward and mostly automated. However, missing even a single step can hinder the recovery process. Follow the instructions carefully to recover your account successfully. If you do have a backup, check out this video where I explain how to restore your account using backups. It provides a step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth restoration process. If you do not have a backup, the first and easiest way to restore your Worldcoin account is by using phone number recovery. Restoring a Worldcoin account using phone number verification involves a structured process to ensure your identity and account security. Follow these steps to restore your account. Step 1. Open the Worldcoin app. If you uninstalled the app, download it again from your device's app store and open the app to proceed to the login screen. On the login page, select the option to log in using your phone number. Step 2. Enter your registered phone number. This is the phone number associated with your Worldcoin account. Step 3. Verify the phone number. Ensure the phone number is active, as you need access to it to receive the OTP. If you no longer have access, this method may not work. You will receive an OTP, which will be sent to your phone via SMS. Input the code in the app to verify your ownership of the phone number, and boom, you have restored your account successfully. If the phone number verification is successful, the app will grant you access to your account. If this process fails due to complications, e.g., the phone number is inactive, here are other recovery methods. Prepare for new verification methods. If phone number or backup methods fail, Worldcoin is introducing Orb biometric verification to help users recover accounts without relying on backups. Stay updated on this feature through the Worldcoin website or app. Or you may decide to subscribe to the channel, since this is the type of content that we post. Ring the bell to get notified if Worldcoin introduces this feature. If you encounter issues during this process, contact Worldcoin support for additional troubleshooting steps. While they cannot recover accounts directly, they can guide you based on your situation. But since you clicked this video, let me guide you on troubleshooting if recovery fails. But first, what does troubleshoot if recovery fails mean? Troubleshoot if recovery fails refers to taking additional steps to identify and resolve issues that prevent successful account recovery. If the initial recovery attempts, like using phone verification or cloud backups, do not work, troubleshooting involves systematically addressing potential problems with the app or your device. Here's what it entails. Check for updates. Make sure the Worldcoin app is updated to its latest version. Updates often fix bugs or issues that may prevent recovery. Go to your device's app store and search for Worldcoin to confirm if updates are available. Verify network connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection, as recovery processes rely on connecting to Worldcoin servers. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test connectivity. Delete and reinstall the app. Uninstall the Worldcoin app and reinstall it. This can clear app-related glitches. But be cautious. If no backup is set up, deleting the app may lead to permanent account loss. For Android devices, clear cache and data. Navigate to your device's settings. Find the Worldcoin app and clear its cache and data to reset the app settings without deleting it. Open the app again and retry recovery. Ensure correct details. Double-check the phone number, email, or other credentials you are using to recover the account. Errors in input may lead to failed recovery attempts. Test on another device. If you suspect device-specific issues, try logging into your account using another device. Why is troubleshooting so important? These steps help identify whether the problem lies with the app, your device, or the recovery information you're using. If these steps do not resolve the issue, the next action is to escalate the matter to Worldcoin support team for specialized assistance. Go to Worldcoin support portal and submit a help request. Provide your registered phone number, app version, and a detailed description of your issue. You may attach any screenshots if applicable. While they cannot recover accounts directly, they can guide you based on your situation. By troubleshooting, you eliminate minor issues and prepare for more informed communication with support. And if you have tried all this and none has worked, you have the final step. Consider creating a new account. Yup, you heard me. Create a new Worldcoin account. If all recovery options are exhausted and no backup exists, creating a new account may be the only solution. You may ask, what about all the Worldcoins that I had? But it's better to start afresh than to stay stuck on one issue your entire life. Starting again may be the trickiest method, but it's the only method left. Or you can decide to wait until Worldcoin introduces the new feature for recovery. Ring the bell to get notified when this happens. Remember to enable backups for the new account and use both the cloud backup and phone number verification for added security. And finally, regularly check your account recovery settings. This step-by-step approach ensures you explore all possible recovery avenues before concluding that the account cannot be restored. Crypto is a fast-paced world, with updates emerging daily. That's why I've created a video showcasing Worldcoin's latest features. If you're interested, click the video on your screen to explore the updates. And that's all that I have for you today. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative content.